students, welcome to Englimia.com. In the series of how to improve your grammar, today we are going to talk on verb again. On the other types of verb. In my previous video, I have told you that there are various types of verb and we have discussed so far finite, non-finite verb, and today we'll work on regular, irregular verb and transitive, intransitive verb one by one. So first of all, see what do we mean by regular and irregular verb. Regular verb which past and third form, that is past participle, could be made by adding d, ed and ied. For example, walk, walked, walked, move, moved, moved, bury, buried, buried. Alright, these forms of verbs are very easy to make and even understood easily. So what do you mean by irregular verbs? Let's see. Past and past participle forms of irregular verbs do not end in regular d, ed or ied. They are just like cut, 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 begin, began, begun, go, went, gone. In these forms of verb, you could see they are not regular at all. They are not just like regular forms as we have done earlier. So इन endings के अलावा जितनी forms of verbs हैं, जितने verbs और हैं, उनको हम irregular verbs कहते हैं. I hope your concept is clear now. Now see what do we mean by transitive and intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs are, let's see its definition first. It needs one or more objects. Okay? For example, you took me to the station. So in this sentence you could see you has been used as a subject in this sentence. In this sentence you could see after took, me has been used an object and then to the station, right? These are two objects. One object is this and the other object is this. So transitive verb needs one or more objects to clear this verb. Now see intransitive verb. It doesn't need any object. Very clear from the definition. For example, they played. And that doesn't need any object to clear the concept of this sentence. Alright, even we can extend it if we need it. They play. Where they play? They play in the garden. But here it doesn't need any further explanation to tell what do we mean by play here. Alright, let's see the other types of verbs. Linking verbs and helping verbs. What do we mean by linking verbs? They do not express action. They only connect subject to more information about subject. ये ऐसे verbs हैं जो कि subject को connect करते हैं मज़ीद subject की information से जो कि उसके complement पे sentence के complement में बयान की जा सके. इसके भी एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं ताकि आपको इसका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाए. एंड व्हाट डू मीन बाय हेल्पिंग वर्ब? दे हेल्प आउट द मेन वर्ब. दे कैन नॉट एग्जिस्ट अलोन बट दे आर वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर द मेन वर्ब. Let's see the structure I have made, the sentence structure in order to explain this linking verb. So first of all, a subject has been used in the commencement of the sentence, and then linking verb, and finally this linking verb would definitely help us to add up the information about subject. But this is the complement of the sentence, क्योंकि ये verb के बाद में आ रहा है, लेकिन हमें information दे रहा है subject के बारे में. She is confused. So is here has been used as a linking verb because she is the subject. She के बारे में हमें information दी है कि she is confused. It's a state. It's not an action. It's a state. In the next sentence, everyone seemed upset. It's again a state. Seemed is a linking verb. Alright? And the next sentence is also very important. The wall looked purple. The wall is the subject, look is the linking verb, and purple is the subject complement. Alright? So linking verb finally is used to connect subject with the subject complement, and in the subject complement this linking verb gives more information about the subject. This is the list of helping verbs. Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, did, be, being, been, shall, will, shall, can, could, may, might, must and so on. ये तमाम हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैं जिनकी इंडिविजुअली तो कोई हैसियत नहीं होती, लेकिन सेंटेंस के अंदर ये मेन वर्ब को सपोर्ट करते हैं और मेन वर्ब के लिए इसकी बहुत अहमियत होती है और सेंटेंस की सेंस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए भी ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस रखते हैं. I hope you guys have understood what do I mean by verb and various types of verb, linking verb, helping verb, regular, irregular, and intransitive verb, and you would definitely practice it so you could understand them well and use them in your daily routine. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.